How to convert Bentley Centercaps to floating Centercaps. Firstly, you will need your Centercap and my conversion kit. Tools required: heat gun, drill, file. First, you need to remove the decal cap from the base plate. Simply go round the edge and peel it off. Make sure not to warp the aluminum disc. Next step, insert the bearing base plate. Put some super glue to glue it in place. Next, we need to drill the hole for the bearing shaft. Drilled with a 10mm drill bit and then enlarged with a file to the right size. Next step, glue the bearing into place. Now the upper plate needs to be inserted and also glued. Don't use too much as it could lock up the bearing. Now the counterweight needs to be also glued into the back. Once fully glued, check the rotation and make sure everything is moving freely and self-centering. Now the final step of adding the decal back on. Make sure to mark where the bottom is so you fit the decal on the right orientation. Bit of super glue again and line up the decal so that it is sitting correctly. And just like that, we have converted the standard Centercaps to the floating style. If you would like a kit to do this conversion yourself, send me a DM on Insta and I can get you sorted. Thanks for watching as always.